Since man landed on the moon in 1969, GMDs have been successfully operating all over the globe in the cement and mining industries. Like the moon mission, our GMDs are monitored and managed remotely. Availability is of paramount importance in these machines. If the GMD is down, the plant is down. Every hour of enforced shutdown is worth $180,000 to $200,000. In addition to being the most expensive asset on site, these machines are huge. The biggest of these mega machines has a diameter of 40 feet and is wrapped around the mill, delivering 28 megawatts of power. There is a great deal of precision involved in installing these machines. For example, the final air gap after installation needs to be between 12 to 15 millimeters. Just imagine getting this gap of a few millimeters correct over a distance of 40 feet. Thousands of moving parts and high-powered drive systems working around the clock, constant monitoring and analysis of the key condition parameters is a vital step in maximizing the availability of this asset. With ABB Ability Predictive Maintenance Services, we are taking availability to the next level using digital technologies. Predicting the time for key condition parameters to reach critical values that could eventually lead to production stoppage and notifying customers of this in advance is crucial. State-of-the-art machine learning techniques and neural networks are continuously crunching big chunky datasets from a large install base in the ABB Ability Cloud platform to maximize confidence in prediction of machine key condition parameters. This helps our customers to procure the right spare parts and plan for the required repairs during scheduled maintenance stops. This in effect also transforms the maintenance philosophy to a more condition-based approach rather than a preventive one, saving OPEX and improving plant productivity. We don't stop at just the notification. The mission of our lifecycle manager is to go all the way to plan with the customer and efficiently carry out the required maintenance with minimum shutdown time. ABB Availability Predictive Maintenance Services for mining together with collaborative operations is a holistic approach to maximizing your assets' availability.